Hi everyone, this is Adam Glesser, Professor of Mathematics in the Math Department at Cal State Fullerton. Welcome. In this series of videos, we're going to go through what our math major entails. We're going to tell you about our support staff, some of the extracurricular activities which are going to be available to you, and just give you some general advice. Now, we've broken up these videos so that they're going to be smaller, so you can watch them quickly. If you want to watch them out of order, or maybe you don't need to watch all of them, you can do that. If you need to go back and watch videos again, it'll be really easy to find the information you're looking for. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to very briefly focus on how the major works. So there are three main parts of the major. The first is what's called the core. So it's called the core because no matter what math major you are, no matter what you want to study within mathematics, you're going to take the courses that make up our core. Now, once you've taken those courses, you might start taking courses in what's called your concentration. So that's the second part of the major. We have 5 different concentrations. We have actuarial science, we have applied mathematics, we have probability and statistics, we have pure mathematics, and we have a teaching mathematics concentration. Okay, in later videos we'll talk about what specifically you're going to take within those concentrations, but for now you just know you're going to take a bunch of courses with all the other math majors called the core, and then you'll split off into your concentrations. Now there's a third component to the major, which is called the cognate. So usually these are going to be courses, usually 3, taken outside of math, although it is possible to take them in math. But you might be taking 3 courses in, say, economics or computer science, physics, chemistry, etc. In another video, I'll tell you about a way you can get around that cognate requirement by taking 3 lower division math courses, which are very new to the department. Okay. Another thing I want to show you in this video is we have a department website. So let's jump over to that. So in the department website, which, by the way, you can get to by going to math.fullerton.edu. You're going to find all sorts of great information, including current events in the department. And, well, very relevant to what we're talking about now, we have a section on advising. So you click on the advising information, and that will reveal a bunch of things. But in a couple of videos, we'll talk about what are called the prerequisite diagrams for each of the concentrations, as well as the 8 TAPs, or 8-term academic plans. Okay, so that will be useful for you to spend some time playing around with, finding out what other things are on the department web page, and I encourage you to peek around. Okay, well, I think that's enough for this video, so I look forward to seeing you again in our next video where we start our journey through the specifics of the math major. All right, I'll see you there.